Hello all my crafty friends, it's Amanda from Crafty Fit, and today I have a Dollar Tree haul. If you hear some noise in the background, it is my daughter. She is in the room with me playing, so I'm going to go ahead and get right into it because my camera is going to die soon and I want to get at least this video recorded so that I can start my organizing. So I picked up like 4 of these things that everybody has been getting just for some embellishments. So I probably picked up like 3 or 4 of them. I also picked up probably about like 3 or 4 of these for just like embellishments. Just want to try to organize them a little bit better. So I figured for $1 you cannot beat that. I also picked up these index cards, a little file folder. I figured I would try to do the paper pads that everybody is doing this way, like how to embellish them, or not embellish them, oh my goodness, organize them. So I got these to try that out. I only found 1 of these. I wish I would have found more, but this is the organizer with lid, and I just really like this. I wish I would have found more because I probably would have gotten these instead of these over here, but I worked with what I had available. I also picked up some of these zipper seal bags. There's 40, and I figured for embellishments or some sequins these would be great, so I got 3 of those. I picked up a couple of these to put into my new organizer that I have in my room. So a couple of those. I like the just the plain white ones. Okay, so I haven't been to the Dollar Tree in a long time, so I'm just going to show you guys really quickly what I got. A lot of people have gotten these because they've been out for a little bit, but I did pick up some of the pop-up tape. I also picked up 2 of these bead sets. I really like the pastels.
Oh, it's a bead.
Yes. And then I also picked up these stickers. I'm not going to open them, okay? So we leave them in there, okay? I also picked up these right here. No, we're not going to open them right now.
Please.
No, you can open up your beads. Go open up your beads. She's got her own beads, so. Here. Right here. Stella, I'm trying to do something here.